Hello guys, today power bars or power bites, ready for the workout. 30 minutes before the workout you need to have one of these. I know in these days, in the last months, you have ate as a crazy for the Super Bowl, for the Christmas, for the New Year. Now for the Chinese New Year you are eating like a crazy, so you are worried about your body, so you want to start to go to the gym, exercise, workout. Remember, you need energy before the workout, so you need one of these. No more. Be careful. "60 grams of raisins, 100 grams of mixed nuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, hazelnut, pecans, cashews, macadamia, pistachios." We add 60 grams of honey, we mix everything very well, and we put in a form. The granola is optional, but I like it, so now I will add 60 grams of granola with 20 grams of honey. Mix everything very well and put on the top of the nuts, and we seal everything with 200 grams of chocolate, 70%. We store in the fridge and we start the banana version. So 50 grams of dry banana that I will cut in small pieces with a mix of the nuts, again 100 grams of nuts, 60 grams of honey. We mix everything very well. I put in this plum cake form. Don't worry, if you miss some ingredient you find the list under the video. And I will add this time 60 grams of chocolate granola with 20 grams of honey. And again we seal with 200 grams of dark chocolate, 70%. We store in the fridge, in a few hours we can do the tasting. Really spectacular, the one with banana, but also the classic one with raisin, even better. Please remember, 30 minutes before the workout. If not, instead of become fit, you will become 100 kilograms or 200 pounds. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try this recipe, let us know down in the comment. If you have some advice, always down in the comment. Somebody will ask how you can store them, plastic container, in the fridge, especially if the weather is hot like here in Thailand. If not, the chocolate will melt and also the honey will go everywhere. Bye bye.